Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special English listening practice story for you. We'll listen to a conversation between two people, Anna and Tom, who meet at an airport. This is a great way to improve your listening skills and learn some common phrases used in everyday situations. After the story, we'll review some key vocabulary and phrases, and then I'll give you a little quiz to test your understanding. Are you ready? Let's get started. The scene is a busy airport departure lounge. People are rushing around, looking at the departure boards and waiting for their flights. Anna is sitting down, reading a book. She looks a little nervous. A young man, Tom, walks over and looks at the empty seat next to her.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh no, it's free. Please, have a seat.
Thanks. It's so crowded today, isn't it? I was lucky to find a spot. It really is. I think the holiday season is starting. Everyone's trying to get away. That must be it. My name's Tom, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Anana, are you heading somewhere exciting?
I hope so. I'm flying to London for a few days, and then I'm taking the train to Paris. It's my first time visiting either city.
Wow, that sounds amazing. London and Paris are both beautiful. You'll have a fantastic time. I've always wanted to see the Eiffel Tower lit up at night.
Me too. That's number one on my list. What about you, Anna? Where are you off to?
I'm going to New York. I have a job interview there tomorrow.
New York. That's a big deal. A job interview, huh? That explains why you looked a little tense when I sat down. I hope you don't mind me saying that.
Not at all, you're right. I'm a bundle of nerves. It's for a graphic design position at a big company. It feels like a huge opportunity, so I'm trying not to mess it up.
I totally get it. The pressure can be intense. But hey, you made it this far, which means they already see something special in you. Just be yourself. Your portfolio must be impressive.
Thank you, Tom. That's really kind of you to say. It helps to hear that from a stranger, actually. Less pressure, you know?
Exactly. I'm just a random guy at an airport. No pressure at all. What kind of graphic design do you do?
I specialize in digital branding and marketing materials. So, logos, website layouts, social media campaigns, that sort of thing. I love playing with colors and fonts to create a whole mood for a brand.
That sounds incredibly creative. I'm an accountant, so my world is mostly black and white and full of numbers. I have a lot of respect for what you do. It takes a real artistic eye.
Well, I have a lot of respect for accountants. I can barely add two numbers together without a calculator. It takes a special kind of brain to handle all that data.
I guess we all have our strengths. So, if you get the job, would you move to New York?
That's the plan. It's a bit scary leaving everything behind, but it's also a dream I've had for a long time. The Big Apple.
It's a city of dreams, for sure. I have a friend who moved there a few years ago. He said the first 6 months were tough, but now he can't imagine living anywhere else. The energy of the city is just infectious.
That's what I've heard. I'm excited and terrified at the same time. What about you? Is your trip to London and Paris for work or pleasure?
Purely pleasure. I've been saving up for this trip for over a year. I just quit my job, actually.
You did? Wow, that's brave.
It felt like it was time for a change. I wanted to take a break and see a bit of the world before jumping into a new role. A little reset button for my life.
I admire that. Sometimes you just need to step away to figure out what you want next. A trip like that is the perfect way to do it. You'll come back with so much inspiration.
I hope so. My flight is in about 2 hours. Flight BA, A286 to London. How about yours?
Mine is in about an hour and a half. Flight UA 415 to New York. We're at the same gate. That's a coincidence.
It is. Well, Anna, it was a real pleasure meeting you. Seriously, good luck with your interview tomorrow. You're going to be great. Just let your passion for design shine through.
Thank you so much, Tom. It was lovely meeting you too. Your encouragement means a lot. Have the most incredible trip to London and Paris. Take lots of pictures.
I will. Maybe we'll bump into each other again in an airport someday.
You never know. Safe travels, Tom.
You too, Anna. Bye.
And with that, Tom picked up his backpack, gave Anna a final smile, and walked towards a coffee shop. Anna watched him go, feeling a little less nervous and a lot more hopeful. Okay, how was that? A nice, simple conversation, right? Now, let's review some of the useful phrases and vocabulary from the story.
First, we heard Tom ask, "Is a seat taken?"
This is a very common and polite way to ask if you can sit somewhere. You could also say, "Is anyone sitting here?"
Next, Anna said, I'm a bundle of nerves. This is a great idiom.
It means you are very nervous, anxious, or worried. If you have a big exam or an interview, you could say, "I'm a bundle of nerves."
Tom said, "That's a big deal." This phrase means something is very important or significant.
Getting a job interview in New York is definitely a big deal. This is a casual phrase used to generalize after giving a few examples. It's like saying etc. or and things like that.
We also heard the phrase purely pleasure. Tom used this to say his trip was only for enjoyment, not for work.
You can say a trip is for business or for pleasure.
Finally, Tom wished Anna luck by saying, let your passion for design shine through.
This means to let your talent and enthusiasm be clearly seen by others. It's a wonderful way to encourage someone. Now that we've reviewed those phrases, it's time for a quick practice question to check your listening comprehension. Here is the question. Why is Anna nervous? A. She is afraid of flying. B. She has a job interview in New York. C. She lost her passport. Think about the conversation you just heard. What was the reason for Anna's nervousness? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Okay, have you got your answer? The correct answer is B. Anna is nervous because she has a very important job interview in New York. If you got that right, great job. That's all for our listening practice today. I hope you enjoyed the story of Anna and Tom and learned some new English phrases. Repetition is key, so feel free to listen to the story again to really get comfortable with the vocabulary. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. Let us know in the comments what kind of stories you'd like to hear next. See you in the next video. Bye for now.